This person is my brother, is my guy, he's my best friend, and it's so sad when I left Nigeria. Like 2 days, 3 days later, I got a call that Mohbad is dead.
Calling out to Papa God, why me that be simone? Shanu me magic kulewe, a worry wajen for work pa. Nibato go mi babu ya waye majo for work pa. Movie like actor me come fi bossy gbe wale. Beguna family show je coffee bossy gbe wale. Gami tiki shaye go what kile da wa sare fun. Bukata too much, bere kile da wa sale fun. Gbogbo ẹni mo ro to grab me crazy, be ni femi baku. Bawo lo je se pon ni fonera ni tebi paku. Your promise talent to won je fe be bread number 1. Show je ko papoda ki gbogbo yen to trend number 1. Ẹ̀yin te bully ọmọ lọ́mọ just steady temi e fi bo. Ẹran ti pe bi mo ke to pata adìyẹ tẹ̀yìn fífọ́ ló jẹ́gẹ́ sọ́lúwa má jẹ́ fi kú dókun àgbáyé fótó máa lé pé mi mo gbìn má jẹ́ fi kú dókun àgbáyé lòròjọ ayé ṣẹ́jẹ́ píríọ̀dì pàdé mi ló bàdì tìwé mi tẹ̀gẹ́ lẹ́sọ̀lúwa pàdé mi mo bàdì. Rest in peace to Daddy Social too. We miss you all. To all the heroes we have lost, we love you.
RIP Mohbad, everybody mock Mohbad. I still never understand if it's part of the plan. I'ma let my buckle up, I'ma let my take more. Any opportunity, I'ma let my learn more. So many pains, I just be anymore. But to be the real way, but me being below. Shit hit different when I heard about this. I'm a jabber to me while I said about this. Theoretically, I'm you niggas done this. I've been bad at jokers of it, there 6 feet. Back to back, my shit box to send down. I shave it shit car, but I can't remember. Cause it's not about you, that's why you never put down. If you keep by the sword, no, you die by the sword. Cause it's not about you, that's why you never put down. If you keep by the sword, no, you die by the sword.